guys, so my last video kind of cut me off a little bit short, but here we go. So like today's lesson for Monday, you see all these different links. Tomorrow's lesson will have the same exact thing where you can find all of the materials to complete your daily task. So under that, you will find today's PowerPoint, today's video. Here is the Frogs at Risk article, which is an option. Answering these questions, you can answer them on a Google Doc or a piece of notebook paper, whichever you prefer. And then there's the answer key to that, so you can check your answers. And again, for the graphic organizers, here they are. So you only choose one. So whatever book you are reading, once you identify the text structure that your author is using, use the text structure that goes along with the graphic organizer. For example, if you're reading a chapter book on I Survived the Titanic, and you just pick a part, like a section or a chapter that you really focus on how the author uses that text structure. And say there's a problem and solution, the Titanic is sinking and because they ran into the iceberg, right? So you would use this graphic organizer only. You do not have to find each one of these in your book. Okay, find one, recreate it on a piece of notebook paper, on a Google Doc, on a Google slide, and then fill it in, and then that's it. Again, you do not have to find all of these text structures. Read a section of your book. I would prefer to do a section rather than the whole book unless it's a short book. But find what text structure the author is using in that section. Use the graphic organizer that is displayed here, recreate it, and then fill it in. Again, do not do all 5 of these, just whichever one your author is using. So that is one option. You have the Frogs at Risk is another option, and then you also have the classwork link that is on the Google Slides. So let me show you what that is. Hopefully you can have access to it. I've never used it before. If you're having problems, just let me know. It is this link right here. Let's see if we can't pull it up. You're just going to click it, click here. And it is a short mini lesson on sequencing using signal words. You'll have a quiz to take at the end. This is just some extra practice for text structures that we've been working on. Again, just choose one. You do not have to do all 3. Choose one that you feel comfortable with doing and complete it. And that is all for today. Please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I will be here to help. Have a great day.